Mike Niemiec here. Good morning with early morning grain and oilseed comments for Wednesday, June 12th. The overnight trade, a little bit of a mixed bag in here. We've got the grains a little bit on the defensive. Wheat down 5 cents, corn down 2 cents, with the soybean oil complex up anywhere from around 5 cents in the beans, $2 in the meal, and up around 20 points in the soybean oil as of this talking. 5 things I just want to cover here real quick, that being the overnight trade. Number 2, let's talk about, we have a USDA report coming out later on this morning. We'll be talking about U.S. and world supply and demand tables. We'll also be talking about Argentine and Brazilian production. And we had a Newswire poll that came out last night that put a new little twist into the marketplace that traders would be looking at this morning on the potential of the USDA changing some acreage, yield, and production numbers versus their May report. The third thing is the weather, and that being that the hit and miss showers are going to continue across the Midwest. Doesn't look like any adverse temperatures are coming, but the hit and miss showers are going to continue to keep the trade talking about, once the report is out, what's going to happen at the end of the month as far as USDA with June acreage. Are we going to see any changes as far as prevent plant acres and or switching from corn to beans and or wheat acreage going to beans as being a mix in the final complication as far as what the acreage numbers are going to go and be. The fourth thing is the fact that we continue with this golden roll. And with it, we continue to see the cash markets being quite strong, and the cash market's not able to go and defeat the Goldman roll. And as a result, we continue to see the nearby strength as far as the beans and the meal go. And that would be something even more interest once the Goldman roll is over with. What's going to go and happen as we work our way in the first notice day with the cash structure the way it is, very positive, no deliveries and or registrations on the books, and the lack of farmer selling. And lastly, just to go and try and sum it all up, overnight we saw where Vietnamese rice prices were making 3-year lows. We're also seeing European wheat prices making 1-year lows, and Australia is looking at their 4th largest wheat crop on record. Point being here is that if we go and grow a crop, we got other world competition out there that also has these world supplies. To go and try and get the speculator back in here in a big way, it's going to be a little bit of a complicated matter in that factor as well, as far as trying to get a big bull run going if we don't have any weather problems here in the U.S. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS.